Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin. Today is Wednesday, August 19, 2009, and I have a few stocks that I would like to talk to you about today. The very first stock is CBS Corp. That stock symbol is CBS, and that trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at the chart, what we're looking for tomorrow is basically a break of about $10.50 to $10.55, as well as if you look in the volume area, we need volume basically heavier than average volume of about 13.74 million in order to take the stock a lot higher. And if you have a close look at the closing numbers today, basically we ended the day with CBS closing at $10.36, up 49 cents or 4.96% on the upside to end the day. So like I mentioned, what we're looking for tomorrow is basically a price break of about $10.50 to $10.55 in order to take CBS Corp a lot higher. The very next stock on the list for today is stock symbol EDAP, that's EDAP TMS, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock has basically been moving in a sideways consolidation for the past few months until the day the stock basically broke out on news that the company got FDA approval for an ultrasound device that it develops. So the stock did move higher, and it was the biggest mover in the market today, ending the day up about 206.57%. And if you have a close look at this big candle right here, the stock did have a price low of about $1.26, but it did move as high as $5.14 before ending the day at $4.20. And what I'm looking for tomorrow at the opening of the market is basically a price break of the pivot point between $4.25 to $4.30 in order to take the stock a lot higher. But there is a possibility that we may get a 50% retracement to the $2.83 area before the stock continues to move to the upside. So please keep EDAP on your watch list for a possible move to the upside. Next stock out the gate is stock symbol HTMXQ. That's Hardmax Corp, which trades on a pink sheet. And what I'm looking for tomorrow is basically a price break of about 0.034 to 0.038 cents on the price of the stock in order for it to move higher. But also we need heavier than average volume to come into the stock, because the volume today was basically below the average daily of 892,000, and we finished the day with volume of about 455.4 thousand. So what we're looking for, like I mentioned, is a price break above the pivot point of 0.034 to 0.038 cents on Hardmax, as well as heavier volume coming into the price of the stock in order to take it a lot higher. The next stock on the list for today is stock symbol OWWW, that's Orbis Worldwide, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart, basically what we're looking for is a break of the pivot point of about $5.75 to $5.80 in order to take the stock a lot higher. But if you have a close look in the volume area, what we need is heavier than average volume to come into the price of the stock as well. And we've had that for the last two trading sessions, where closing with volume above the average daily of about 750,000. And Aldrich did end the day today trading at $5.63, up 45 cents on a day, or 8.69% to the upside. And like I mentioned, what we're looking for tomorrow is a possible break above the pivot point of $5.75 to $5.80. So please keep Orbis Worldwide on your watch list. Last but not least is stock symbol VPHM, and that's Biopharma Incorporated, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock has basically formed a cup with a handle type formation right here in this area. Can I have a cup of tea, please? And what I'm looking for tomorrow is basically a price break of the pivot point between $7.85 to $7.90, and the 200-day moving average is right here at $7.86. So a price move above the pivot point between 785 and 790 would take the stock a lot higher. But also if you have a close look in the volume area, the volume today was lighter than the average daily volume of 1.5 million, and we did end the day today with Biopharma trading to close at $7.68, up 40 cents or 5.49% to the upside. But like I mentioned, tomorrow we are looking for a price break of the pivot point between 785 and 790. So please keep all of the stocks that I mentioned on your watch list for possible moves to the upside. CBS, EDAP, Hard Max, as well as Orbis Worldwide. Keep all of those, as well as Biopharma. Keep all of those on your watch list for possible moves to the upside tomorrow. Thank you again for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading to you.